Welcome back to Natural Hub channel. Today we're going to explore a unique way to reap the health benefits of thyme, chewing on it. That's right, we're diving into the surprising benefits of chewing on thyme leaves and why it might just be the next big thing for your health routine. Thyme isn't just for seasoning your favorite dishes. It also offers a plethora of health benefits when chewed raw. Let's delve into the incredible reasons why you should consider incorporating this aromatic herb into your daily chewing routine. Benefit number 1, oral health. Chewing on fresh thyme leaves can help promote oral health in several ways. Thyme contains antibacterial properties that can help fight off harmful bacteria in the mouth, reducing the risk of cavities, gum disease, and bad breath. Plus, the act of chewing stimulates saliva production, which naturally cleanses the mouth and neutralizes acids that can erode tooth enamel. Benefit number 2, digestive aid. Chewing on thyme leaves can aid digestion by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes and gastric juices. This can help break down food more efficiently and alleviate common digestive issues like bloating, gas, and indigestion. Plus, thyme's natural oils can soothe the digestive tract and reduce inflammation, promoting overall digestive wellness. Benefit number 3, respiratory support. Thyme is renowned for its respiratory benefits, and chewing on fresh thyme leaves can help deliver those benefits directly to your respiratory system. Thyme contains compounds like thymol and carvacrol, which have natural expectorant properties that can help clear congestion, relieve coughs, and promote easier breathing. Benefit number 4, immune boosting. Chewing on thyme leaves can give your immune system a boost thanks to its high concentration of vitamins and antioxidants. Vitamin C, in particular, plays a crucial role in supporting immune function and fighting off infections. By chewing on thyme regularly, you can help fortify your body's defenses and stay healthy year-round. Benefit number 5, stress relief. Last but not least, chewing on thyme leaves can have a calming effect on the mind and body. The act of chewing itself can help reduce stress and anxiety by promoting relaxation and mindfulness. Plus, thyme contains compounds that have been shown to have mood-boosting properties, helping to uplift your spirits and improve overall well-being. So there you have it, the surprising health benefits of chewing on thyme leaves. It's a simple yet effective way to support your oral, digestive, respiratory, immune, and mental health. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. And don't forget to chew on some thyme for good measure. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.